This is lesson 14.4, part 2. In this lesson, we're going to learn the law of sines and learn how to use it to find missing pieces to a triangle. Here's the law of sines. And this law says that in any triangle, no matter what the angle measures are, the ratio of the sine of a particular angle to its opposite side is a constant. So then you can set up ratios between the different sides to find the missing parts. The law of sines is useful when you know two angles in any side, because if you know two angles, you can always find the third angle. Or if you know two sides and a side opposite from, or an angle opposite from one of those sides. So, first example, suppose we have triangle PQR, and I'll just draw any triangle here and label it so it will not be drawn to scale. If the measure of angle R is 39 degrees, measure of Q is 32 degrees, and side PQ is 40 centimeters, what is RQ? So we're looking for this side. So we can set up our ratios. We know that the sine of 39 degrees over 40 is going to be equal to the sine of angle P over X. But here we have two variables, P and X, and we can't have that. So we're going to have to find the measure of angle P. Since we know there are 180 degrees in a triangle, we can subtract the two angles we know to find the missing angle. So 32 plus 39 is 71. 180 degrees minus the 71 leaves us with 109 degrees. So angle P is 109 degrees. So then we can solve this proportion to find side X. So if we multiply both sides by X, we get X sine 39. And multiplying by 40 gives us 40 sine 109. Or in other words, we could cross multiply here. Then solving for X means we're going to divide by sine 39. And so we get X equals this right side. When you plug that into your calculator, make sure that you're in degree mode, because these are both degrees, and just do 40 times sine of 109 divided by sine of 39. Should come out to 60 centimeters. Okay, here's another example. We have triangle RST, where side T is 7, side R is 9, and the measure of angle R is 110 degrees. We're looking for the measure of angle S. So setting up our ratios, we can do the sine of 110 over 9, that goes together, and we can do the sine of T over 7, those go together. But we don't know angle S and we don't know side S, so we can't work with angle S at the moment. So what we'll do is solve this for T. So if we multiply by 7, that'll take care of that, and we can calculate that. So calculating the left-hand side, we get 0.73 is equal to the sine of T. So solving for T, we would do an inverse sine. So the inverse sine of 0.73 is 46.96. So we could round that and say angle T is approximately 47 degrees. Knowing that angle T is 47 degrees, we can now find angle S by knowing that there are 180 degrees in a triangle. So if we take our 180 degrees, add 110 and 47, that would give us 157, and subtract, that would give us a 23-degree angle for side S. In the next video, I'll do a couple story problems.